would like to introduce the kindergarten teachers and students for their presentation of learning.
Good morning. I am Mr. Duval, and this is our kindergarten assembly. I hope you'll show me how buddy listening.
Hi, I'm Miss Carp and I loved the way you were sitting. Look at our fantastic writings.
Dear crayons, we are sorry. Please come back. We will give hope and love. Dear glue sticks and pencils, I am sorry for throwing you on the floor. Can you forgive me? Dear pencil containers, we are so sorry. We will always look after you. Love, Sarkis.
Hi, I'm Miss Brimfield. Wow, kindergarten, you're sitting like beautifully today. I am looking extra numbers today. In math, we have been learning about halves, but we are taking the other half of our face.